Today we're gonna replace rear shocks in my 1973 Dodge Charger. At the moment I've got air shocks with some kind of tubes going under the bumper, and there is a bit to pump it. So there is only 4 screws to do this, yeah, 2 each side. I hope the screws are not rusted too much, and we can sort this out. What I've seen, it's easy job, so we're gonna start it. Alright, today we're gonna use a jack. That is from Halfords, Halfords Advance 2 tons. It's the steel one, the cheapest I can buy. There were aluminium ones for 2 and 3 tons, but they are double price, so I decided I will stick with the cheapest one. It's quite big, it weighs about 30-40 kilos, very heavy shit, but anyway, that will do for me. And now we're gonna test it, first time in use. We are set, we are ready to unscrew the bolts. The bottom screws, that's 19 mils, and yeah, I can see that's the wire for for the air to pump it, and over there set another screws. Top side is bolted is, like you can see, quite big. 2 washers, big ones, and I need to use hammer a little bit to take it out. And also I put this jack to raise a little bit wheel to get the stress from the screws. So that is it. Now we're taking off. It's quite easy. One shock is done, more or less. It's finger tight at the moment, and I'm gonna do next one. So biggest problem was to get into the hole on the top side of it, but 2 minutes work and has been done without any problems. So we start with the second one. I've done it, unscrew it in just loosely. It's not tight at the moment yet. Best way to do this is just to put the jack under the this bracket here, and a little bit pump it, just to level it, the bolt with the hole on the strut. So when I done it, this, just gently push. No need hammers and anything like that, just a bit of grease on the screw, on the bolt, yeah, and then it slides very easy. So everything is done. Now need to tie it up. Alright, yeah, this is a whole system for pumping the old struts. So the plastic bit and piece of rubber or plastic pipe. I will unscrew this, and then we put everything back on the wheels. We'll see how it goes with this. Looks good. Wasn't big job, just a bit rusty, but I think that was done. I don't know, it was held on the this plastic bit, so probably 20 years ago, 30 max, I think. Okay, that's the old struts, air struts. Yeah, see, that's the whole system putting back together. So most of it is plastic, everything is plastic, even this valve is plastic, only inside is metal and the screw is metal, everything else is plastic. So I think maybe 90s that it was made, something like that. So rubber is a little bit crusty. It's not that bad here. There are some cracks in here on these bits. Here, this side is better. So a little bit rust on them. And I found out that I need to play a little bit with the underbody. There is all paint on it, which is coming off. I need to clean it and then paint it again. That will be massive job. Maybe I will give it to some garage to do this, because I'm not sure it's worth to buy some equipment for that. We'll see. Okay, car is on the wheels. Everything looks okay. Height is how it was before when I pump it to the max. So 2 fingers more or less, and it looks okay then now. So now next job, I need to finish this because I'm playing too long with that. That needs to be finished. That is next job to do. Yeah, hold this arch. But I'll show you something else. You see, these windows had some holes on top, and few years I had it parked on the car park without any covers and everything like that. So lots of water went through the windows, and when I take the whole inside bits, I found out bag with about 1 liter of water or something like that inside. I don't know what kind of bag was it, but there was lots of water there. And so I found out, just to find out today, that I have, see, I have here hole, and here hold this section, yeah, till the doors are bubbled, and there is massive hole here. So that will be another job to do. Hold this section need to be cut off, and on not only outside sheet of metal but also inside, because here this bit it's hole through the metal, probably. I think so. Hold this section, probably they need to be cut off, outside sheet and the inside, but that will be for another day. At the moment I need to figure it out and fix this arch on the other side when I start it. That is next job. Alright, so car is on its own wheels, everything looks okay. So now we finish for today. Easy job that was, quite easy, and so we can finish. We need to put everything back and go for the dinner. Looks good. Okay, have fun, see you next time. Cheers.